back to this video. And today I'm popping these right here, fireworks right here, and yeah, I'm going to show you all of them. So if you're scared of fireworks, you better not watch this. My sister's right there. Yay! Move the head, put them down. As you show, you can see right here, these are all the fireworks, literally. Here's the one. You even have this Cortex. And then that's one. Cortex. Oh my God!
Hey, everybody. Kamal video is only our family jar. Please stop.
You can see right there. So we're gonna go outside. Oh, plus we're gonna do. You can't see right now. Turn the light. There you go. We're gonna fly that up there into the sky and down. It's midnight, so you better not shout. So let's see. It's about to fly. So guys, if you're lucky. My sister right there.
ছোট বৌদির no chance, বড় বৌদির chance আছে।
This is my auntie. That's my mom holding.
বড় বৌদির
Okay, it's about to fly. Let's go fly up to it. Okay. It's about to fly now.
হাওয়া নেই। জায়গা না?
You can see right there.
সবাই গডকে থ্যাংক ইউ বল আস্তে করে মনে মনে থ্যাংক ইউ গড ফর এভরিথিং ফর দিস ইয়ার
Thank you for all the
থ্যাংক ইউ বলতে হয় সবাই গডকে
Say thank you to God. If you believe in God. If you believe in God, say thank you to Him.
ও দেখো কিসিদের ছোড়া ফানুস ও দেখো যা রে ফানুস উপর দেখো यार
You can see right there. That's the little one someone else done. But I gotta do this one.
ওইটা চলে গেল দেখো কোথায় মিলেও গেল ওটা কোথায় ও দি যাচ্ছে
It's about to fly. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go.
চলে যাবে সানি আরে সানি ছেড়ে দাও চলে যাবে না এই ঘরে যাবে না চলে যাবে শিওর আমরা ছেড়ে যাবে অনেক
See us flying. Say
thanks to God
Say thank you to God if you thank you God for everything.
Thank you God for everything. So far.
This is part one. This is part one. And if you like this, that's a little one now.
And this is for this year, okay guys?
This is for this year.
Say for
God.
Oh,
go.
Aste.
We're doing another one if you like this. So yeah. Thank you God for everything. I remember like I did. It's still see right there. That's I don't want that bird to look crazy. Oh, that's one right there. That's somebody else's. I can't see. See right there. That's somebody else's.
আর এইটা এর জন্য বলো গড এই ইয়ারে যেন আমরা সবাই গুড থাকতে পারি তোমার আমাদের ব্লেসিং দরকার
So yeah, this is gonna be part one of fireworks.
এই সময় উইশ করতে হয় উইশ করে ছাড়তে হয় লাস্টটা ঠাকুমার জন্য
That's so cold. It's about to fly. It's about to fly.
दो कॉर्नर में सिर्फ है और दो कॉर्नर में अभी पूरा जाएंगे और एक तरफ आया ना मोनी
पीछे से छोड़ दो ना थोड़ा पीछे जाओ छोड़ दो ऊपर से
Guys, if you ever have a lantern, put this one there. Our lantern opening.
একজন অনেক ল্যান্টার্ন যাচ্ছে ওই দেখো কত লোক ছাড়ছে দেখেছো
See right there, more people are doing it.
क्या होगा अभी? पानी डाल दो उसके ऊपर। पानी डालोगे
ना उड़े होगे ना
ना? उठा रुक देना, आगे उड़ेगा।
Something bad happened.
गिरो मत, यावर आ रहा है।
टेबल टूट जाएगा।
टेबल टूटेगा।
इससे लो, इससे उसको ये लो,
उड़ गया।
उड़ गया? ये लो। I think it's about to fly. It's flying. It's flying. Yay!
Well done.
It's God, guys. We have been saved
Finally.
by God. Thank you, God.
तो नीचे चल।
Another 10 minutes until we're under the tree, guys. Still there? Still big. Something like that? Okay. Because loads of people are doing it. Yeah, guys, the video. Why? Why another one? If you want, I'll skip this one, guys. And I'll see you later, guys. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Guys, I'm going to be talking to you while that's happening. So let me just go inside, guys. And if you wanted to see it, you can see it right now. It's going to be... Okay, you can't see it from here. It's kind of cold right now, that's why. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to end it. saying this, okay?
এই ঠাকুমার জন্য ঠাকুমাকে ব্লেস করো।
ঠাকুমা বলো, ঠাকুমা আমাদের জন্য প্রার্থনা করো, বলো।
Sorry for the Bengali talking.
বলো মনি, বলো ঠাকুমা আমাদের সবাইকে আশীর্বাদ দাও। আর এটা বলে এটা তোমার জন্য।
এটা তোমার জন্য।
এটা ভেঙে গেছে মনে হয়, দেখো।
চললেই হলো। আমার ফোনের মধ্যে আগুনটা ছড়ে পড়ো। कूदो, उस तरफ नहीं जलता, जो एक तरफ जलता है ना नहीं होता। फू करो। मैं पकड़ू?
If it flies, if it doesn't fly, then that's sad news. If we can move on to fireworks, it's going to be called the flyer.
ये एक तरफ पकड़ने से नहीं होता, एक तरफ आ जाते हो। चलो ए महक, तू इधर आए ना।
So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like this, and I'm gonna do that too. So peace out, guys. Peace out. First look at this. Peace out, guys.